Hello guys, have another video on this vehicle I got for my son. Yeah, he's still asleep. Just want to surprise him when he wakes up. So here it is. So we're gonna unbox it together. Okay. So you can do from here. And here. Here. Some tape in the middle. There it is. Cool looking. Manual. I don't really need the manual. I think it's very easy to figure it out. They wrapped up really nicely. It's good. Yes, this is the battery in here. This looks like it. Yep. Wow. Huge. 5 batteries in there. Charger. And we can start unlocking it in the back. Should be fairly simple. There we go. Pull it. Everything out the way. Here's the vehicle, here's the remote. Let's get the remote out. Alrighty. There you go. Really like the color. Let's test it out. Well, let me install the batteries. So I guess you need a battery in here, which is not provided, but for this vehicle. Okay, so this is where you would unscrew it and put this battery inside. Let's do that. Now come back when it's done. Okay, this is how you put the battery in. 3 batteries underneath. Now we close it. Screw it. Sure you screw it all the way down. Don't put too tight. Okay. The remote. So that's what I use, AA battery. Screw it back in. It's on. And this you need to turn it on right here to switch. Alright. Okay, so you gotta turn the vehicle on first and then the controller. Now it's syncing. Holy cow, oh my god, it's strong. Okay, so we need a bigger place than this, so let's watch it. Sorry, my house is a mess because he put his toys everywhere. Okay, so wow, this is no jokes. Oh my god, it's very strong, very fast. And I see why they designed it like that, because when it flip over, it's still, you know, functional. Wow, you can do the flip as well. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Okay, so let's put it here so you can see it. That's the whole house. I didn't clean anything up. We just got back home from shopping. See that? This is crazy. It's crazy strong. And here's an overview of it right there. Wow. Any kid would love to have this toy. To get stuck, it flip over, and still be able to continue to ride. My son, he will die after this. He will die in love. This is so cool. He's gonna thank me. You see the acceleration? Very strong. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Have fun and enjoy. Take some pictures.